Hey guys! Episode 6
ng Drag Race Philippines Season 3. I am Ray.
And what's up mga gay? It's John with a J.
Hey! Bagong kakainis. Kung bago ko lang dito sa aking channel,
It's giving parang international recapper.
nagpapander ako sa Pinoy fans. Not that I'm saying that, the other foreign recappers are doing it. But if the shoe fits, charot lang. Yes, we want to say thank you sa lahat ng nanood sa Snatch Game episode recap namin. Ang daming nag-engage, nag-comment, tuwang-tuwa kami ni John.
Yeah, and we love reading the comments talaga. Parang it warms our heart na, parang you guys listen talaga to what we have to say.
Okay, magbasa na tayo ng comments from last episode. Do you want to pick the first comment to read?
Yeah, sure. The first comment is coming from Scott Summers 4234 na he's an avid listener and viewer talaga ng pod natin. Hindi si Marina ang nanalo sa Snatch Game ng Season 1. Guys, hahaha. Si Silhouette ang nanalo nun. Kahit di ako agree. Smiling face. Dapat talaga si Eva or Marina yun. So, ayun, side note guys, like last episode, I told Ray here na have he noticed that the past Snatch Game winners was Marina and Kat, which I stand corrected. Tumayo. So, ayun. Thank you, Scott, for letting us know na nakalimutan namin na Silhouette won the Snatch Game as Vicky Bello. Tapos yung other comment is galing kay Al_Habs. The steak may be medium rare, but I like how raw your reviews were. Enjoyed watching it and how you dissected the episode. Sana makita namin sina Jessa at Jackie next season.
Parang B yung sa akin, like parang super cringe. Pero yun sa'yo, ang galing. Ang daming nakapansin din sa comments na, ang galing pala mag-impersonate ni John. Parang may future yan sa Drag Race, sabi nila.
Hindi talaga B. It's giving, pork chop.
No, don't say that. Pork chop.
Pero talaga, si Jessa.
Stop it. That was the worst. Mag-a-apologize po ako. This is my apology. For doing that.
Apology. Oh my God.
Very season 5 vibes. On to the next comment kay Shmuel777. John, baby, kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na, sabi niya. Oh my God.
Actually, hindi pa kami kumakain ni Ray. If gusto niyo magpadala ng pizza, gano'n, or like, Angel's Pizza, masaya na kami.
Actually, happy na kami doon. Especially si John, parang single. So parang, minsan natutulog na lang yan na hindi kumakain kasi malungkot. So, padala niya naman ng food tapos message niyo din siya, malay niya, di ba? Okay, next na comment, magbabasa din tayo from our avid viewer, si Oriel. Nalimutan niyong banggitin si Zimba, lol. Grabe ang kulit ni John, ang galing mag-impersonate. Mag-impersonate kaya kayo next week, lol.
Hindi ko na kaya, B.
Aside from this comment, nag-message din si Oriel sa atin kasi 'di ba parang at the end of our episode, John and I parang nagbibigay kami ng ranking ng queens namin from our least favorite to our most favorite to win the competition. So siya, nilagay niya sa Excel.
I love the effort,
I know, right? Like parang the Excel work here, yung color shading ng mga columns, it's amazing.
Yeah. Ilagay na lang naman yung screenshot niya below, no?
Here, it's gonna be put at the lower center.
Yep.
So, ang number 1 niya is Maxi, followed by Kiana, John, and then Angel, Tita Baby, Popstar, Zimba, Mix, J Queen, Udipota, and Versex. I think ito yung buong cast, no?
Yeah.
And I think this is yung may point system siyang ginamit dito or kinonsider niya yung parang placements ng queens per episode to identify kung sino yung mga nasa taas. This is an objective ranking from Oriel based on yung placements sa season.
Yep.
Okay, so I think medyo nakapag-warm up na tayo. We can start watching episode 6 of Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
Exhausting, and it was so cold.
She was doing all that. Talagang nakapagod siya. No? Like parang nagbuo siya ng tubig, nagubad siya ng outfit,
Naglagay siya ng spray na wala namang color.
I know, right? To be honest, that was kind of messy. Yung lip sync na yun.
The most iconic Snatch Game of the history here in the Drag Race Philippines. So, I've been so happy!
Deserve.
First of all, I want
Super.
to say thank you.
Mas bibigay ko kay Tita Baby. Just because Tita Baby's jokes were more thought out, mas creative.
Thank you,
I'm so
BFF.
proud of you.
Meron akong ano dun. Like, parang yung tatlo talaga contender for the win, di ba? Si Tita Baby, si John Fideliaga, and Angel. Pero kasi, iniisip ko yung Snatch Game na yun, sobrang iconic, di ba? Tanggalin mo si Tita Baby, wala siya sa cast. Parang okay lang. Parang that Snatch Game will still be good. Tanggalin mo naman si John, okay pa rin yung Snatch Game, it will still be good. Pero tanggalin mo dun si Angel, dun sa episode na yun, hindi siya ganun ka-iconic.
Yeah.
So, iba yung impact talaga nung ginawa ni Angel here sa Snatch Game na ngayong season. Kaya, ibibigay ko pa rin talaga siya kay Angel.
For our mini challenge, we will be having an acting workshop.
Thank you.
Oh my God, acting challenge. Right up my alley, girl. Manilala na naman ako ng mini challenge.
In this workshop, you must showcase your extraordinary overacting skills. Bring to life the iconic lines from the viral acting workshop recently and let the drama unfold. The most convincing thespian wins. Now, as I tap each of you on the back, kailangan kong marinig ang pinaka-intense na version ng viral lines na ito. Hayop ka! May araw ka rin pagpapulong ka sa inferno!
What movie was this referencing?
You're a pet. You're a
Hindi ko alam. Oh
Yeah,
my
same,
God.
same.
You're gonna
So guys, if
get
alam nyo,
happy.
let us know in the comment section. Wow!
Yes, please.
Hayop ka! Araw ka rin! Bubulok ka sa impyerno!
Hayop ka! May araw ka rin! Magpapulong ka sa impyerno!
What if we do it then again?
And scene.
Hayop ka. May araw ka rin. Mabubulo ka sa impyerno.
Oh my God! Di, pang-famas talaga, te. Te, pang-famas talaga. Oh my God, kami nagiging lobo ka na. Para kasi Angel. I mean, si John. For a second there, akala ko galit ka sa akin. Ganun ka galing.
No.
Magpapulong ka sa impyerno!
Nagkami-hami wave si Akla.
May araw ka rin!
Huli mo na ba? Sige ba? Sama! Oh, wala.
May araw ka rin! Magpapulong ka sa impyerno!
Iba siya na siya, boss. 20K tayo, sister.
May araw ka rin! Magpapulong ka sa impyerno!
Okay. Yung the grudge niya, crawl. Oh my God.
The winner of this mini challenge is...
Oh my God.
Gusto ko gumapang din si mama.
It's time to put your theatrical acting skills to the ultimate test. For this week's Maxi Challenge, get ready to be popular. Because tomorrow, you will defy gravity in our soaring lip sync extravaganza titled Oh, Wicked Kita, the Rusical.
Ano?
Weak.
Oh,
Alam mo yung reference doon?
Finally, an
Hindi ko din alam eh.
hindi.
Jesus
Just yung
Christ.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Pero yung Filipino culture reference, no?
Let us know na lang, guys.
Let us know in the comments. Okay, the Maxi Challenge is a musical. So it's based off loosely on the Wicked story with the mix of probably some Filipino references here.
Have you watched the Wicked musical?
No, I haven't seen it. Ang alam ko lang yung songs dun sa movie, yung Defying Gravity, and yung For Good na songs. Have you seen it?
Yung For Good, iba pa siya. Good for you, you look happy and healthy.
Di, iba
No,
yun.
yeah, iba pa
Si Olivia yun.
Pero to answer your question, I haven't seen it pa. So,
Okay.
yeah.
But
So-
you know for sure yung Defying Gravity.
Yes.
Kasi siya man nag-Glee yan eh. Nanonood ka ba ng Glee?
Yeah, before.
Okay.
Yes. So, let's see.
Let's see.
Alright, before the Maxi Challenge starts, let's bring up our drag connoisseur.
Yep. I think nasa loob siya ng bote ata.
Oh my god, yeah.
Ikaw na, let's make her come out.
Come out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hayop ka! May araw ka rin!
Mabubulok ka sa impyerno!
Welcome back, Daya!
Hey, welcome back!
Wait lang ha. Kaya po ako hindi nakadrag. Galing po akong office. On-site po ako. Pasensya na. Pero ano pa rin naman po tayo. Ganap pa rin naman po.
Yeah, she's not in drag, but she's on drags.
Ang funny ni Jan Napolis ang dancer.
Ay, pero what's your your pronouns out of drag?
He, him.
He, him.
Simplahan lang natin.
Yeah,
No?
Okay.
Ayun. So, let's start.
Let's do it!
Musical. Na-excite ako.
Wow, bitch!
Wala akong nasabi. Patulala lang ako.
Ganda.
Wow, this one of the
Couture,
best.
no?
Like,
Ganda. Naka-ice cream hat siya. Ice cream hat.
Sa lakot, be.
Sa lakot.
Ice cream. Ano yung cone? Sa lakot kasi, be.
Sorry. Mali.
Filipina Ruger from Laguna, Jiggly Caliente, Jiggly.
Ay, taray.
Is it?
Charge of them.
Is it?
Sa akin, nagustuhan ko. Ewan ko sa
Ano,
inyo.
hindi yata musical yun. Ano, nakipag-sing-along ka ba? Gamit ang kanilang mga microphones? Kasi favorite ko ang mga no.
Wala
Ano?
I love you, Mama Gigi. Hindi ka masasabi. 6 eh!
Kasi sasali.
Sasali ako season 6 eh.
ang ganda ni Precious.
PPP.
PPN.
performance.
PPP ba iba yun?
Public-private partnership.
Si Tony ang may award sa akin talaga. Wicked kita.
Ito yung pinaka-ano na chill niyang hosting, no? Ay, ganda ng logo, fairness. Ay, giving yung costumes.
It's Tita Nits!
Bring back my girls. Bring back my girls.
That cape is the choice.
Sobrang made for mixing role.
Love the way
And are those
It's
Ay, taray. Hindi na ba giving queen?
LV? I didn't want to make it so everyone was attacking you. I feel very attacked right now. Relax. Relax. Whenever I see someone who's busted and loner, I clearly have to take over and give her a makeover.
Si Angel. Ang gagawin siya talaga. Ay, yung top 4 ko. Ay, charis.
Yan ba yung top 4?
Oo.
I'm Naomi,
Eh.
fashion queen, honey. Nothing here.
Eh.
And I always
Very good.
I'm Christy.
Isa pa to. Ugagu.
Bagay sa kanya yung role.
I'm Cindy.
Cute!
I'm pretty. Yeah, that's it. You don't belong here. You're busted and crusty.
Can I say just, parang this is one of the, parang sobrang na-enjoy ko agad yung musical na to.
Nakangiti lang ako, actually.
Nabot agad ako.
Ang galing nilang lahat. What the fuck? Ooh. Akabayo siya.
hindi halatang kabayo, B.
Akala ko kambing.
Parang si
Si
him.
him sa PPG.
Ayan na.
Ayun si Vince. Actually, Mayor Joy! Putang ina. Ang gag.
Ang saya Mayor Joyness. Sabi ni
Siya yung Wizard of Oz version.
Oh.
Mayor Joy.
Siya i-roll niya.
Now sashay away.
Awkward.
Sakto lang.
Pero hindi ko gets, ba't Mayor Joy? Ba't di nilang Vicky Bello? If they want to make her pretty, no?
Hindi ko rin
Baka kasi yung role
gets.
is Wizard of Oz. So parang any wish. Pero parang may disconnect eh. Bakit? Saan galing ni Mayor Joy? Bakit of all the people?
Bakit may non-fiction character?
Yeah, why not a doctor or like someone?
Of all the people. Diba parang Wizard of Oz? So dapat magician.
Mhm.
Mhm.
So saan
Like,
galing?
why Joy in particular? Hindi ko gets. Why Quezon City?
Saka bakit Quezon City? Bakit? Dahil ba alay ang Quezon City?
Oh, maybe. That's...
Maybe, pero that's still as...
Pero may disconnect pa rin sa story
Oo.
ng Wicked eh.
We're confused.
Mhm.
The last time I was confused, parang high school pa.
Parang hindi ako na mag-guess dito.
Pa-defying gravity.
Hindi pa first time ng history na may pabuhat. Ang galing ni Zimba.
I'll try to fly.
Nangingilabot ako.
I'll touch the sky.
Wow. This is a first sa Drag Race Universe.
Na may pa-harness na.
Mm-hmm.
Eh!
Fairness. Pink could never.
Love Pink!
Love Pink.
Love her.
Ang galing na pag Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
In fairness, nakuha niya yung choreo sa taas.
Tari, back to back. Magandang episode. Ano
Oh my
to?
God. Wow.
Tumayo!
Nagkatayo!
Nakaupo!
No, can we talk about
Our thought.
Ah, yes, let's do it. Kayo.
Napantayan niya yung Fran Season 2. Kasi ang standard ko is Fran Season 2. Panoorin mo.
I will.
Oo, naiyak ako. Ayun. Ganda nito. Nangilabot ako ng ilang moments.
Yes, same with me.
Kaso na mawala ako sa fantasy kay Maxi. Kasi kabayo pero kambing yung pagganda. Ayun, pero still okay yung role niya. Magaling silang lahat. Walang tapon. Although,
Yeah.
parang nag-disappear si Jan. Hindi ko siya napansin masyado.
And si Bench.
Sila ni Bench yung... Hindi na nag-struggle eh.
Wala talaga.
Hindi lang nag-shine.
Serviceable even yung medyo tingin nating didn't shine.
So,
So, who are your tops and bottoms?
si Nick sa kasi Zimba. Kung may pangatlo, kahit small lang role niya, gusto ko si Tita Baby.
Okay.
Yung galaw ng bibig niya.
Same din dun sa tatlo, si Zimba, si Mix at saka si Tita Baby. For Zimba, na-embody niya talagang character. Very, naka-empathize ako dun sa character na awa. Tapos parang whenever she, is crying on stage, parang naiiyak din ako. Tapos ang galing nung aerial dance niya. Super impressive yung air dancing. Ano ba tawag dun?
Aerial stance.
Aerial
Basta
stance.
ganun. Harness
Ganun.
camera.
Ang galing. Tapos si Tita Baby naman, totoo, hindi ganun kalaking role, pero very commanding siya sa stage.
Siya nagpalamon.
Ang ganda ng lip-syncing niya dito. I think she has the best one here, at least sa lip-syncing part. Tapos si Mix naman, only because malaking role niya, kaya medyo nag-stand out siya sa akin compared to the other girls, so smaller yung roles. Pero totoo yung sabi ni Dayang kanina na ang ganda ng musical na to and wala talagang, no one did bad.
I would also think that Mix, Simba, and I would say Kiana will be on top for me. Zimba kasi parang, yun nga parang sinabi ni Dayang earlier, parang Zimba is like embodying the character and she's singing it. I just don't like the wig. Sana binaba natin
Oo.
girly.
Or nilagyan niya ng tape or one.
Yes. And then Mix, parang she shine talaga. Like, she's been at the bottom for the past few weeks and I'm happy for her that she went out of her way
May
to...
redemption.
Oh, like, there's a redemption storyline. And then Kiana, because, I'm just a Kiana stan. But joking aside, I feel like, ang ganda nung performance pa din niya.
Probably notes for improvement or well, before I say that, tama no, hindi nila boses ito. So mas nakaget into sana ako sa music kung they sang yung parts nila.
Especially may singer tayo dyan, si Maxi Saya.
Sana nag-take advantage na sila kasi mas mafe-feel mo sana yung story if boses nila yung ginamit.
Sa si Bench, marunong din naman kumanta.
Tama.
I think Maxi would be in my bottom. Kasi parang, I don't like yung parang, you're supposed to be like a horse, diba? Pero it sounded like a goat. I agree with you, John Fideliaga. Parang, she did good.
Pero
But-
nawala siya. No?
Also, I agree with Ray. Popstar Bench, parang she didn't play dun sa character niya. Let's see.
Let's
What
see
will,
kung tama yung natin guesses.
Category is Kumwot Couture.
Eh.
First up,
Ay, wait lang. Nakita niyo ba yung IMDb review?
10/10.
Yeah.
Not
First
10, pero like close to...
Hindi nakita ko.
10 ba?
10 na. 10 na
10 na
siya.
ba?
Oh my God, diba? Tapos yung Global All-Stars is in the bottom.
Ay, no. Dead mo sa'yo, Besh. Ayoko
Yeah.
na pag-usapan yun.
That's such a bad season. Anyway, yeah, parang good na IMDb. Highest rated ever?
Yes.
Episode.
season?
And season.
And season and episode. Okay, that's
Sa lahat ng franchise.
Like, look at the material, mama.
Deserve naman.
Yeah.
Although, hindi ko masyadong tinigan yung IMDb kasi nire-rate bomb yun eh.
Saka,
Ng users.
oo, parang baka sobrang bias natin bilang Pilipino.
Yeah.
Pero kasi,
But
kahit,
still,
ang ganda ng season.
maganda, even without yung IMDb.
Ka-level niya,
rating,
France
sobrang
season 2, Spanish season 1.
UK season
UK
3.
Season 2 ka-level niya, and
All-Stars 2. Char.
All-Stars 2 actually, ka-level niya.
Mm-mm.
Parang All-Stars natin.
So, let's see. Let's talk about the runway.
Let's do our pakaks and lagapaks.
Siya lang yung flop sa
Unfortunately, I think
Unfortunately.
mag-agree tayo lahat. Yung pakak sa akin, gusto ko yung kay Zimba.
Yes.
Yung silhouette lang ata yung siya yung naiba sa silhouette, tama ba? And ang ganda ng orange ba yung color?
Yes.
Not sure if that's orange.
Mhm.
Yung I didn't mind the hair. At least merong adventurous part dun sa look. May
She took a
US.
risk. Pero,
Oo.
okay naman siya.
Kaya really, parang, I get na parang hindi yun yung best choice.
It could have been
probably.
better, but
Mhm.
still amazing. Ganda eh. Talagang damit eh.
And also, may connect siya dun sa character niya sa Rusical.
Agree. Ala, ano mo talaga yun?
Grabe. So parang okay.
Si
I love what
LV.
you did there. Kay LV. Actually, maganda kasi talaga lahat except for I'm So Sorry, Bench. Pero siguro kung meron pang isang note sa isa sa mga queens there, yung kay Mix,
Yeah.
parang may hindi pa tama
Nakabunch.
yung cinching ng niya, yung waist.
It could have
Na-notice
been
nyo?
like
Parang mas
Slimmer?
hourglass pa
Oh, yeah.
sana.
Sobrang laki ng skirt.
Mhm.
Sana, simplihan na lang.
Oo,
Okay.
hindi to. Pero pero it's still a very, very good look.
mhm.
Kayo.
For me, I agree na parang gusto ko yung kay Zimba na
Ayaw
parang
mo.
I think the color orange suits her.
Mhm.
I just don't like the wig. Parang it could have been blonde or maybe black. I also like what Kiana did. Like, girl, tinigasan ako. Char. Pero sobrang...
Sample. Sample.
Sabi nga ni Mama po kay Kyle last
Hindi
episode.
kami naniniwala.
Pag walang ebidensya dito. So, joke lang.
Hindi, pero talaga, like, I also like yung mga references niya. Like, it's very Filipino, yung katol, and then the Arnola. And then what else?
Marinola talaga.
The Colombo. Like,
Mas
it's so...
naihi siya.
Yes. Tapos gusto ko din yung runway ni Tita Baby.
Ganda, no?
Parang-
Social.
I think, ito yung first runway ni Tita Baby na parang, wow.
Actually.
Kinilabutan ako.
Oo, wow to eh. Although maganda yung last week.
Mm-mm.
Yung sexy na black. Pero ito talaga yung...
Yung Black Widow.
Oo.
Tapos agree din ako na ang ganda nung kay Maxi na parang Marie Antoinette talaga na parang alam mo yun yung mga structure niya tsaka yung texture.
Mhm.
Ang ganda. So, how about yours?
Agree ako si Maxi na-amaze ako doon. Kasi mahilig ko sa ganung mga, yung paandar sa...
Is that truffles or hindi?
Rough. Ang gusto ko yung, hindi ruffle, bunch.
Bunch.
Ang ganda nung naka-bunch.
Popstar bunch.
Dahil maganda ngayon eh. Kasi gusto ko rin yung kay Tita Baby, yung executive realness.
Yeah.
Mukhang pang mayaman. Parang if Gucci made kumot suit.
It's very on brand for her and also different silhouette din than the
Oo,
other
napawawa ko.
ladies.
Lahat naman sila maganda. Yung kay Jan, sayangan lang ako sa skirt. Saka ate, bench naman.
Mm-mm.
Bench naman. 5 taon na kitang minama.
Yeah, like parang daw kasi yung designer issue.
Ayun yung issue shit. Naawa ako talaga
Kaawa siya.
kay Bench. Yung mahal na binayad niya. Tapos pagdating niya, ano siya magawa? Kasi mag-start tayong season.
Totoo. Like parang kahit i-try mong i-tweak yan, parang there's only so much that you can do.
Also with Popstar Bench, like the reveal,
Papalit ng papangit. Sorry.
yes. Like, and I don't wanna win. Sino ang sabi mo? Si Jax Monsoon ata yun sa pit stop. Overall, it's a good runway. Like, 3 consecutive weeks na they've been delivering in terms of runways.
Gusto ko season 3. Masyado niyo akong pinipinger. Kaya! Masyado kayong naku, yung proud Pinoy tuloy ako.
Di ba?
Wala sa lugar.
Proud to be Pinoy.
Ganyan nga tayo.
So, ito ba yung natin? Yung...
Yung thumbnail.
Ganyan natin. Ganyan. Before Dayang leaves, kailangan mo kaming tulungan kung paano kami mag-rank later. For you, sino tingin mo yung nasa tops this episode? And sino yung nasa bottom?
8th ko, Si Bench. And on second thought, si John ang 7th ko.
Alright.
6th ko si Zema. Ang laki ng inangat niya for me. 5th ko si Mix. 4th si Angel. Grabe. 3 si Maxi. Dati siya yung 2 ko, pero parang nag-disappear siya eh.
Okay.
And continuous ang pagtaas si Tita Baby sa ranking. Siya yung pangalawa ko. And then, Kiara talaga eh. She has my pussy in a chokehold eh. Pero ayun. Pero, send love to the queens, tip your queens, and thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you
Yes.
for that.
See you next week ulit.
Yes.
At tatagan ako next
Are you
week.
gonna be on
Uh-huh.
drag?
Yes, I'll be in drag next week.
On drag and on drugs.
Pag-autor ko na, nabaril mamaya sa labas yung sabi ko sa inyo. Dahil dyan,
Okay, kunin mo na yung bote.
pasok na ako sa aking butt plug.
Pero how about inumin ko na siya ngayon? Dayang nasa tiyan na kita. Hey, man.
Dayang is inside you.
Yep. I'm a bottom! So, doon pala nalaman.
Yeah.
Okay, let's watch this.
The Rusical, I have made some decisions, Queen. Maxi, Kiana, both of you are safe.
Oh, they say.
You may
Okay.
kiss the bride.
Worth ba na ma-save si Maxi, you think? Probably because of her outfit, but I don't know. What do you think?
I don't think so. Kasi parang, yun nga, hindi ko nagustuhan talaga yung horse or like yung kabayo na
Mhm.
role.
Mhm.
Ikaw ba?
Yeah, I think hindi siya masasave nitong look niya kasi it's a clear bottom for me. Like parang silang dalawa actually ni bench yung bottom placement for me.
Mm.
Simbadi, bakit mo pinili yung biggest role?
I'm emotionally connected kay LV. She's trying to, alam mo yung makipasok sa majority, but she looks different, which is very connected sa akin kasi I'm here.
You chose correctly. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung authenticity. With your Pum Haute Couture, I love it. I love the silhouette.
Kimono,
I love
no?
the room
Mm.
feel. Very elegant. I do want you to know, your purpose now is to inspire people like you. You are the reason why drag is still alive, you know. We're here to inspire.
Oh.
Now, Mick Chanel, if not the strongest, you are one of the strongest. It's a play.
Happy ako for her.
Yeah.
Kasi she's been in
Parang
the
yung
bottom
role
for
eh,
the
talagang
past
sinulat for
3
you.
3 weeks.
Yeah, very
3
good
weeks.
ka doon.
We were actually talking about this in the workroom, and there was something I was holding back from sharing. So I want to show the world how strong and beautiful people living with HIV can be.
Oh, okay.
I was diagnosed in 2021, and very few people in my life know. My family doesn't even know. When I was first diagnosed, I had been working with a lot of different HIV awareness campaigns and organizations at that time. So hindi ako natakot kasi alam kong may medicine na for it. Alam kong it's not the death sentence that it was many decades ago.
That's correct.
Ang concern ko lang nung sabi ko, when I become undetectable, I'll tell my family. I never got the strength to tell them kasi I didn't want them to worry about me. I've been undetectable since 6 months after my diagnosis. I've been living happily, strong, beautiful, and stop the stigma. It's
Yep.
not the disease that's killing anymore. It's the fear of people to come out about it. And I just want to
That's true.
inspire people like me na you can also get through it. You can also become a strong, beautiful, resilient person. And that does not change one bit about who you are.
Nakaka-touch lang ngayon na
I
parang,
know.
alam mo yun, kasi grabe pa rin talaga yung stigma with HIV. Alam mo yun, parang meron pa din certain connotation na parang if you have HIV, like especially in...
Death sentence.
Mm-mm. I'm so proud of her na parang she is sharing this sa the Drag Race. If you have HIV, it's not a death sentence. It still can be, treated.
Yep. You can live your life normally just like the rest of the people who don't have HIV. And you know what? Now that makes us share this, like parang mas nauunawaan ko yung character niya. Kasi parang we did say before na parang medyo pabida siya. Pero like parang perfectly encapsulated yun ng sinasabi niya ngayon na parang kahit meron siyang HIV, hindi siya ma-deter to succeed. Like parang to paraphrase, parang ganun yung gusto niya sabihin. And I think that's her attempt to like parang show the others sa parang okay, kaya kong gawin yung ginagawa niyo and do it better and do it at my best.
Yeah.
and even with HIV. Parang something like that. Like parang hindi siya nagmamatter. I feel for her and she's so brave for telling us this. Tumutulong siya para i-break yung stigma on HIV.
Ayun, tsaka guys,
Yeah.
always, yun nga parang always know your status, and if you have that, know that it's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
It can still be treated. Laban lang.
Yep.
Ayun. Thank you, Mix, for sharing this.
Thank you, Mix. Love you, girl.
We love you.
To change a lot of people's mindset for good.
Thank you. With you speaking out,
Yeah.
marami kang taong nai-inspire, yung mga natatakot magpagamot, natatakot magpa-check. This is not a death sentence.
Mhm.
No, it's still an epidemic in the Philippines. Parami pa rin po ng parami. You know, if you know that you have it, you have to be responsible. And if you don't have it, syempre you also have to practice safe sex.
Mhm.
Again, from the bottom of my heart.
And get
for
tested. Like parang even, para lang for example, if you're worried, at least you know what to do next.
Yes.
When you have it, okay, you're gonna get treated as early as.
Yeah.
If you don't have it, at least parang you have, not sure if you can call it peace of mind.
If you don't have it, you know that you're safe. And
You're safe and you cannot transmit the
yes, the
disease.
disease.
Anyway, ang ganda nun kasi may public service announcement.
Yes, yes.
Like parang, what better platform to do it than yung most watched LGBT show ngayon sa Pilipinas, which is Drag Race. Kudos sa production for including all of this here.
Tita baby, it was a supporting role, but you made the best out of that role.
very tita and very on-brand pa rin. That's what I like about you. Oo nga, no? Ano kaya ang hot couture kumot version ng isang tita? O di ba? Para kang may-ari ng isang napakalaking building.
I've made some decisions. The hardest decisions so far this season.
Super.
Team Buddy,
Congratulations.
congratulations.
Deserve!
She deserves it.
I'm so
You
happy.
are the winner of this week's challenge. John Medeliaga. I'm sorry, Ira, but you're up for elimination.
Damn! I thought she's gonna win this week.
Popstar Ben, your Kumot Couture is part of its 4 reveals. Didn't seem couture at all. Angel, you are safe.
Oh my God. Bench and John are in the bottom.
Ladies, this is your last chance to impress me and save yourself from elimination.
Come on, lights.
The time has come for you to lip sync for your life. Good luck at dapat
Come on, chicken.
Do you wanna lip sync it? Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin ng panahon honey, ang pangarap ko. Dadalhin ng panahon ng hangin, pangarap ko.
Who do you think is gonna win the lip sync?
Alam mo, to be honest, medyo na-disappoint ako dun sa lip sync nila.
Really?
Yeah, kasi hindi ko naramdaman masyado yung emosyon. And Bench, girl, what are you doing with these
Like yung party strings? I don't
strings?
know.
Maybe strings, it's called strings. Ano na sa kanya, pumalibot na sa kanya, tapos ang messy na. Ito namang si John, may parts na hindi siya nag-lip sync.
Mhm.
Few parts. Tapos parang nakulangan din ako sa emosyon. Sayang yung song.
Yeah,
I
kasi
don't
it's one
know.
of the good Filipino music, no?
Yeah, good original Filipino
Filipino
music. My God. Anyway, pero yeah, it's not that bad. Pero I wish it would have been more iconic.
Yes, yes.
But having said all of that, just because of the yung messy parts ng performance si Bench, I would give this to John.
Basing it from the track record, John has been in the top for 3 weeks in a row.
Mhm.
So I would also give it to John. Yeah.
Ladies, I have made my decision. Popstar Ben. Shantae, you stay.
Oh my God, I'm so sad.
You
No,
rejoin.
I don't want her to go. She deserves so much more.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Like she could have won 2 of those challenges the past couple of weeks.
Everyone. You made me feel safe here. And I was able to show the world. And the universe rather.
that I'm a star.
John went home.
And always choose kindness.
Okay.
Mga Bex, alis na ako.
Yeah, let's process that.
Naiyak ako kasi I don't want John to go home. Like, like, di ba sa ranking, like, oh my God, ba't ako iyak? Si OA.
Hindi, it's okay.
Kasi she's, part siya nung, it's the alcohol talaga. Parang part siya nung top 4 ko talaga. Like, I can see John going far. So,
Okay,
we love you, Mama John.
it's okay.
We love you.
Love you, Mama John. Yep. Yeah, okay, yeah, let's do our ranking.
Okay, so for me, 7th place will be Popstar Bench. 6th place is Tita Baby. 5th place, Simba Ding. 4th place, Angel. 3rd place, Mix Chanel. I feel like she's breaking out of her shell. She's finally sharing who she is, especially with her storyline. I want her to like keep on doing this. 2nd place, still Maxi. She's still doing good. And yeah, I still have a personal bias with Kiana. Kiana could do no wrong for me. Like, so she's still my number 1 queen.
Okay. Yeah, ako naman, ang ranking ko, last place si Popstar Bench. 6th place ko kahit top si Mix Chanel ngayon. I couldn't look past yung 3 bottom placements niya the past couple of weeks. She did really well this episode. Ang next ko is si Angel. Ang 3rd place ko, from 1st place, nilagay ko si Maxi because I believe yung performance niya here deserves a bottom placement. 2nd place ko, na-surprise din ako dito si Tita Baby kasi she's been killing it the past couple of weeks and even this episode, sobrang galing niya. Siya
Okay,
actually yung...
I found this on the web for She's Been Killing in the past couple of weeks, and even this episode. Check it out.
Come on.
Itong siri naman to, panira naman talaga eh. Anyway, yeah, so Tita Baby, 2nd place. And also yung runway looks, nag-i-improve talaga. And ngayon, pareho tayo bingin ng 1st spot, si Kiana. Yeah, like parang I can't deny talaga yung niya, yung consistency based on track record. Talagang deserve niya yung 1st place ngayon kasi naungusan niya si Maxi and nag-fade si Maxi sa akin yung episode kasi Tita Baby, paangat ng paangat.
Yes.
So yeah, that's my ranking.
Yeah. So, nagbago-bago yung ranking sa atin. Nagkalabo-labo this episode, no?
Oo nga, oh my God. So, it only tells you na parang marami pang pwedeng mangyari this season. Akala ko medyo set na parang, oops, frontrunners, nandito lang tayo kay Maxi and Kiana. Tapos parang, oops, parang hindi pala. May marami pa palang contenders.
Yes. So, guys, don't forget, share your, rankings sa comments. Kasi we are dying to know. Like, we are dying to know. We are dying to know who you, what are your rankings?
Before we parang wrap up, isa-share lang natin dito yung QR code sa GCash ni Dayang. Tipan nyo naman siya, guys. Kasi tinutulungan niya kami ni John para mag-assess properly ng aming ranking every episode, okay? Let's say goodbye to our lovely listeners and viewers. I am Ray.
And hello, mga gay. It's John with a J. And we'll see you next episode.
Bye-bye!
Thank you.
Paano yan dyan?
Litabi.
Ganito yan?
Bye! Bye, guys!
Bye!
Hey!
Ah!